Hi everyone, my name is Diksha Madhalani. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with Diksha, and I have created this channel for my English practice because I want to practice every day, and I will upload video on this channel for English learning, and I want to help others who want to improve their English. That's why I created this channel. And I am a housewife, so I have to manage my home also. I have to do all work of my house, and after that when I get time I will practice here and I will upload videos. And I hope this channel will help you, and you will get videos about English learning and English speaking. And I want to be a good English speaker, fluent English speaker. I want to speak English like a native speaker. That's why I am practicing here. And actually this is my first video, and I know I am making mistakes, but I don't care about mistakes in the beginning, because if you are beginning something, and if you are on beginner level, so you can make mistakes, and after that you can correct your mistakes. So I know I am fumbling and I am making mistakes, and I trust on myself. One day I will be a fluent speaker and I will speak fluent. I have done my qualification in Hindi language, and my mother tongue is Marathi, but I have done my qualification from a Hindi medium, and I love so much my Hindi language. And but I want to improve my English also, because English is a global language, and in these days English is very necessary. So that's why I want to speak English. Whenever you go for a job interview, so there you have to speak in English, and you have to give interview in English language. So that's why English is very important, and I think we all have to learn this language, and we all have to speak in this language. So my main aim is I want to speak English. I think this is enough for today. I would like to stop here, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.